Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a slick 1969 Dodge Coronet. This is a Super B tribute, guys. It does have all the Super B emblems and the stripe, but it's actually a Dodge Coronet. Great car. I actually bought this car locally from a gentleman. He's owned it for about 6 years. He said it's about a 12-year-old restoration. Nice car. You can nitpick, you know, and as we go through, I'll try to show you this stuff. You can nitpick some of the stuff on the car, but very nice car and a very good car. Car's got a healthy 33 cubic inch motor in it. Nice cam. It's got you can see it's got slick Tuxedo black paint on it. The black vinyl top. It's got black interior, good looking set of 15-inch Magnums with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. I love the hood. It's got that super stock scooped hood, and really just a good car, guys. Good solid body. If you're looking for something that's fun to drive, I think you're going to dig it. I'm going to try to dodge the raindrops here. Looks like it's kind of moving in. Again, you can kind of nitpick the car. You know, there's some touch-up marks. There's some blemishes in the paint as you walk around it. Again, I'd leave it alone. I wouldn't mess with it. This is a good, solid, straight car. You can see it's got the halo headlights. He took it to car shows. I'm not trying to be too critical on the car, but you know, 80% of the people we sell these cars to, we never meet, and so I want you to know what you're looking at. You know what I mean? But really good car. If you're looking for something fun to drive, I'll tell you what, this thing runs. It's got an awesome powertrain in it, and it's just a good car. Black vinyl top's in great shape. Sorry guys, there's a little dust on that back window. They get dusty out here quick, as you can hear the traffic rolling by me. It's got the red Super B stripe on the back. Paint looks good too. This is just a good looking car. This is a gray body style. Love this body style, guys. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. Good looking set of wheels and tires on it. It's got a little bit wider meats on the back, so it's got that staggered look. You can see the paint slick. You can see the traffic going by. Nothing like slick black paint, man. Does have front disc brakes. See my bald head in the reflection. Healthy motor, guys. 383 cubic inch engine. It's got a Mopar Performance cam in it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got a Team G aluminum intake. Power steering, front disc brakes, headers, electronic ignition. He's got royal purple synthetic oil in it. Mopar radiator with a shroud. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. It's got a 3000 stall. Took a picture of the fender tag for you. See, it's got Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers. I think this hood looks so cool on this car. You can nitpick that 8-pillar chrome a little bit. Original mirror. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Pretty much stock appearing interior. It's got the bench seat. There's a, right in there, it's got some Wazoo radio in it, guys. You know, if you watch these videos, you know I'm not a radio guy. It's got a remote. That's a plug-in for an MP3 or your phone, whatever it is. It's beyond me. I don't even know if I can figure out how to operate it. We'll see if Jordy can. This is all brand new. He had all the gauges pulled out, rewired, factory tacking gauge. You can see even the clock works. The 19,000, that's not original, guys. He said there's probably about 6,000 miles on the car since it was done. Got some aftermarket gauges under there. There's your custom sound system. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4. I think he said 373 sure grip in it. Comes with the cover, factory jack with the old bias ply spare. Let's see if I can get this up without ripping out the tail lights. Yeah, there we go. See, it's nice and solid in the trunk. This is the original pan. I think, yeah, this is the original quarter. He said this quarter, it has had a quarter put on that side. Like I said, we got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. It's not something that you're going to take down to Cobo Hall at Detroit Autorama and put mirrors underneath, but it's solid. It's very actually original underneath there, you know. But it's, you know, it's a driver. It's something you're going to drive. And again, the nice thing is it's not 50, 60,000, which it seems like everything is headed to. It's something you don't have to break the bank to buy. I showed you the headliner, so go on this side. A little split in the dash there. I noticed there's a couple little nicks in the dash over there as well. Gauges are really nice. But Jordy fired up here. Sounds good, boys. A little squeaking belt on there. See if we can tighten it. Well, that thing sounds good. Yeah, this car's just got a great look to it, man. Listen to that thing hit a lift. Yep. Go give it a little rev, Jordy. There you go. And you can hear, man, it gets its R's. All the gauges up here are functional. Looks like all the gauges down there as well. Saw a little touch-up mark down here. Backup lights work. Well, that car sounds mean, man. Your idea is it's in AUX mode right now. You can see that. I'm not real sure. Hit the band or hit the mode. Hit mode. That might be something. See if we can get it to. We got power. We got. I just don't know if we got a station, guys. Blower motor does work. Kick that on. Both of your little fender mount turn signals work. See, it's got the halo lights on it. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, don't be afraid. Pick up the phone. Give us a call. 248-620-3355. That's a good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.